I just want to make one
Yes.
observation there, can I?
Absolutely.
You know, this is you got a high-powered operation, do you not?
Absolutely.
You got to get a better camera.
Well, you know what? Believe me or not, that little camera can outdo all the other ones because it records in
Hold on, let me tell you something. People make fun of this. This camera.
There's a guy who came to work prepared.
No. But this is way
This
better.
camera.
There's no saying piss poor planning predicates poor performance.
This camera is a better camera than that camera. I'm just fun. People
By a
laugh at
long
it.
shot.
No, listen.
Really?
You'll be amazed when you see the footage. It has a directional mic and it's high definition. So the picture I'm getting when you see it on a big screen will be so clear. The sound, even in a crowd, it'll pick your sound up better than that mic on his camera will. And it's tiny. It's tiny. Now, what it can't do, it can't, but I'm not a camera guy either. That's not my thing. I'm a producer normally. If I was doing this big scale, I'd have a
I just
guy
had to take
with
a
camera.
shot at you.
You are entitled, my friend. You are entitled. I take it clearly.
You touched on the subject. What we do is we bring law enforcement, judges, probation, police, fire, and parole all into the classroom with these kids in that 16 weeks. And how we get their attention, we offer them jobs after they've completed the program.
Great.
Because all this is good, but at the end of the day, when they've completed whatever it is, if there's nothing to do as far as work, how are they going to feed their families?
That's exactly right.
That's one of the elements that we offer. Then we bridge all these agencies together in the classroom, and the kids say, hey, I have a warrant. We can't bring them in here. Yes, we can. We bring all the people that you're going to see when you get in trouble into the room before you get in trouble so that you find out everything you need to know so that when it's time to come clean with it. You don't have to worry about it. So that breaks a lot of the ice. It breaks a lot of the tension that guys just run when they see the cops. You're going to see an attorney when you go to court. You're going to see a public defender at some point. You're going to see the cops in the streets. You're going to see the judge at some point. And you're going to see a parole or probation officer. Why not have this room, this gathering, before it happens? And that's exactly what we do. And it's so effective. The guys are actually in the classroom. The students are like, woo! Feel so much better because now I don't have to run. Well, where were you running from anyway? Well, I have a warrant. If you got a warrant, go talk to the cop and see what it takes to clear it up.
That's it.
And you see a face-off with the kids and the officers and the judges. And it's a good thing to know that. Look what you've done. You've now increased your
Because
chances.
it's the ignorance of not knowing that little bitty warrant is a bump in the road, but to them, because it's personal, it becomes this mountain that they have to climb over.
Huge mountain.
And they don't have the tools to get over it,
Yeah.
and they don't know where to go to get the tools to get over it. And that's why programs like the ones you're offering.
Sorry, can you just back up and say that again?